I'm very excited to introduce you to our newest, most amazing product really. This is the 24 karat gold standard. It's a serum that you use at night and changes your skin in the morning. So what we've done is we've taken 24 karat gold and added with a blend of actives, some of them very new, some of them very, very different. And the combination is incredible. There's also a refining lipopeptide, which really works on the smile line. All of those that go down really are so hard to deal with, and this really works with it. And then there is an hexapeptide amplifier that really makes your skin smoother, tighter, and gives an energy that you didn't have before. It is for me the Rolls-Royce of all serum. And if you start using it for 28 days during the night, your skin will never look better.